We have beaten Wolves by 2 goals to nil with goals from Saka in the 43rd minute and Lacazette in the 86th minute. Our performance overall was quite solid and efficient. We weren't pretty, but we did what we needed to do and it was quite professional. We led at halftime 1-0, but we were a little bit shaky in the opening minutes as Adama Traore tested Emi Martinez in the first minute itself. Adama Traore was causing us a lot of problems as one of his skills got David Luiz booked, and David Luiz had to play on thin ice, which is very dangerous to watch as a gooner. But we did improve after the drinks break, and we did have one shot, I think it was before the drinks break, from Aubameyang. It came from a corner that wasn't cleared properly by Wolves, but the ball fell to Aubameyang in a difficult position. He had two defenders in front of him, and the angle was not the best. Hence, it was an easy save for Rui Patricio. We had another shot when Xhaka's deflected pass fell into the path of Nketiah and his shot was tipped onto the post by Patricio. We did take the lead in the 43rd minute when Kieran Tierney played the ball from the left. The cross was deflected and it fell into Saka's path inside the box, and Saka slotted it home to make it 1-0. Good finish, it was not easy. We definitely improved after the drinks break, and I'm pretty sure Arteta's words during the break must have had an effect on the team. Surely we were playing with a lot more tempo to our game and there was more substance to our game, and we were looking quite semi-dangerous on the left hand side with Kieran Tierney and Aubameyang making important runs and Tierney making nice overlaps, and even Xhaka started playing better passes in the middle of the park and having more control on the game. In the second half, we were not that great as Wolves were starting to have more possession and they were exerting themselves more in the game. They did create some chances, but not clear cut. Jota had a shot blocked from David Luiz. Traore was one-on-one with Martinez, but he scooped the ball over the bar and onto the top net, but not inside the goal, fortunately. And Traore was always looking dangerous, but he was not able to do anything, like he lacked the cutting edge to do something notable. We on the other hand was doing better after the drinks break in the second half, and we were moving the ball more forward and we were trying to get a lot of free kicks, and we were having some shots blocked, like one from Ceballos. And the substitutions did make the difference, as in the 86th minute Lacazette scored following good work from Joe Willock. Willock got the assist. Lacazette took a good touch and managed to slot it past Patricio. His shot hit the post and went in, and we went 2-0 up. We nearly went 3-0 up when Aubameyang played in Willock, and Willock's shot was cleared off the line by Neves. And then we pretty much sealed the game after that. So solid overall, that's the best word to describe our performance, and we get another clean sheet. That is quite good. Now we've got 3 successive clean sheets in a row and our second Premier League, second away win consecutive. So let's get into the player ratings. Emi Martinez gets a 7.5 out of 10, made an early save from Traore in the first minute and was very good with his distribution and his collecting of crosses, and he did every other thing that he had to do. Mustafi gets a 7.5 out of 10. He had a few problems in the first half, but as the game went on, his passing got better and his defending got better. David Luiz gets a 7 out of 10. He got booked early for a foul on Traore, but he made one important block on Jota in the second half, and he got better as the game went on. Kolasinac also gets a 7.5. He was relatively good, did what he had to do, and he kept it simple and linked up well with Tierney also, as he provided some good passes to Tierney. Tierney gets a 7.5 out of 10. He came off in the second half but did very well in the first half. He made good runs and linked up with Oba quite well on the left, and in fact it was his cross that led to the first goal, although it took a small deflection, but still. Granit Xhaka gets a 7.5 out of 10. I would have given him an 8 easily, but if it wasn't for the last minute tackle, which was somewhat reckless, and it was a well deserved yellow. But overall, he had a very solid game. He did quite well in the first half after the drinks break, and did a lot better in the second half after the drinks break in the second half as well. And he had a good influence on the game and the midfield, and he created one chance, although took a deflection for Nketiah. Ceballos again 7.5 out of 10, very good influence on the game, controlled the midfield in the first half post drinks break and did the same in the second half. Cedric 7 out of 10, wasn't very good offensively, but he was quite good defensively. Aubameyang, he gets a 7 out of 10. He had a first shot on target but was a little bit quiet in the first half, but had some involvement in our first goal, and he created a chance for Willock in the second half. Nketiah 7 out of 10. He worked hard and led the line decently, and he had a shot that hit the post in the first half. He came off but was quite good otherwise. It was quite good rather. Saka 7.5 out of 10. He was a bit quiet before the goal, but he took his goal very well and he worked hard as always, and he came off quite early in the second half, but it's kind of understandable. Substitutes, I'm going to only give a rating to Willock and to Lacazette, because Willock got the assist, so I'm going to give him a 8 out of 10 because he assisted the goal and he almost had a goal later. And Lacazette gets a 7.5 out of 10, a brilliant touch and a brilliant finish. Torreira and Maitland-Niles ended up getting bookings, and Bellerin came on, so I'm going to give them a default 6 out of 10 because they didn't do anything special, but they did what they had to do. So there we have it. We are now on a winning streak, which is good. Let's keep the winning run going and see if we can miraculously get into the top 4. But at this rate, we are most likely going to end up in Europe. It is what it is. I'm not a fan of playing in the Europa League, but it's what the club have accepted. So we have to get on with it. And let's see if we can win the FA Cup. Thanks for watching. Until then, enjoy and have a great day.